The videos on this channel are purely for educational purposes. In this series, which is named as I for Investment, a lot of times the names of various companies would be quoted, and these companies are listed in the stock markets. However, it should be noted that the names which are quoted in the videos and which are displayed on this channel are only for educational purposes, and those companies should not be considered as an investment advice. The creator might be having those companies in the investment portfolio or might not be. Viewers are advised to consult a registered financial advisor before making any decision.
Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information related to personal finance. We were trying to figure out some great companies for investment purpose wherein we can invest our hard-earned money for some capital appreciation by purchasing the equity shares of those companies. And we were trying to identify those companies just by analyzing our daily routine and the products that we use. We were able to figure out certain companies by examining our daily routine and the products that we use on a daily basis. Although we were able to figure out certain companies for investment purpose for the long run by examining our daily routine and the products that we use on daily basis, however, later we observed that all these companies compete with each other and all of these have the similar sort of products that satisfy the same need. Further, all of these companies are into diversified business models. So the question arises, which company's stock should we purchase for our investment portfolio? As discussed in one of our previous videos, that two companies which are in the same line of businesses might behave differently in the financial markets. The stock price of one company might be rising and the stock price of other company might be falling, irrespective of the fact that they both are in the same line of business. So in that scenario, how to figure out that which company's stock will outperform so that you can invest in that company? Let us understand this with the help of an example. We all eat fruits day in and day out, and we all know that fruits are powerful and easy way to boost our overall health. If you keep on eating oranges and grapes, then your body will get vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese and copper from these fruits. Eating bananas will help you to get potassium, magnesium and fiber for your body. Guava and avocado are rich in protein. Therefore, when it comes to purchasing the fruits, instead of buying the fruits individually, it is better that we buy a basket of the fruits. The different varieties of fruits in that basket will help our different parts of the body and eventually will impact our health positively. As we could figure out a lot of companies by analyzing our lifestyle and our daily routine, so the question arises in which company we should invest by purchasing the stocks. Because it can happen that one company is performing positively and another company might perform negatively due to numerous reasons. Therefore, in order to eliminate that confusion, we as an investor can buy the entire index or the index funds. Similarly, as we bought the basket of the fruits to get all type of nutritions, index fund is like a basket of all the good stocks, which is traded on the stock exchange similar to the individual stocks. Hence, buying an index or an index fund is similar to buying a basket of various different fruits. Let us assume if one fruit from that basket got stale, so you have an option to remove that fruit from the basket and you can eat the remaining fruits in that basket. The purpose of removing that stale fruit from that basket is to prevent the other fruits from getting stale. Similarly, when you buy an index or an index fund, then your money is invested in the best performing companies. If any company amongst those companies does not perform up to the mark and does not generate return and let your portfolio value down, then that particular company would be removed out of that index or that index fund, and the other company which is performing exceedingly well, that would be added to the portfolio, so that your money is always invested in the best performing companies to generate better returns. Learning is a never ending process, and we keep on learning irrespective of our age. Hope you are learning from this video. As they say that learning is never ending, however, this video has come to an end.
If you love to read books, then the same content of this series, I for Investment, is available in a readable format. The name of the book is I for Investment, Applying Common Sense While Nurturing Your Portfolio of Stocks. Click on the below link and grab your copy today.
Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then